I've been anxious to tour a home in this community since I did a video when they first broke ground last year. It's the Emberly neighborhood by Toll Brothers, about a mile from downtown Alpharetta and walkable to Wills Park. This is 2010 Rosewood Drive. It's the Antoinette model, one of the single-family homes they offer. 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 2-car garage, 3,585 square feet of living space, listed for just under $1.3 million by Margaret Sarlock with Toll Brothers. And we immediately see some of the awesome finishes that the Toll Brothers Design Studio always brings to the table in their new builds. Even if you hate your job, you're going to enjoy getting down to work in this home office. It's got a refined style to heighten your motivation, and if not, it's a lovely space to procrastinate in. The entry foyer flows into the boldly styled great room. Talk about a statement wall. This 2-story wall of white pane windows is just absolutely spectacular. The entire room is a marvel of contemporary design. Dramatic, linear fireplace, beautifully unique custom built-ins, dark, rich, inset, tongue-and-groove wood ceiling. I haven't seen a truly jaw-dropping great room like this in a house under $2 million in Alpharetta. Pretty impressive. It's an open concept floor plan with a big dining area and a fantastic contemporary style kitchen. Oversized island topped with quartz. I love the way the cabinet uppers go all the way to the ceiling, giving you a little extra space to store those rarely used items like the soda maker, juicer, and George Foreman grill. There's a well-designed drop zone at the entrance from the 2-car garage. A coat closet, very handy for reducing clutter. All the appliances are stainless steel, Energy Star certified. There's a 36-inch gas cooktop, vent hood. The Design Center gives you a lot of great options for backsplash, cabinet colors, countertop styles. When you buy a new home here, they'll help you customize it to really make it your own. Their designers guide you through the entire process. These sliding glass doors lead out to the back covered patio. You've got a wonderful little sitting area, place for outdoor dining, outdoor kitchen for your gas grill and your green egg smoker. There's a nice little flat backyard, perfect for a family pet to stretch their legs. Lawn maintenance is included in the association fee, so you don't have to worry about that. The kitchen also has a nice size walk-in pantry with built-in shelves, so you have plenty of storage space. You've got another closet and a really nice butler's pantry with a wine fridge just outside the cool modern style dining room. I really think all the fixtures and the decor are excellent, especially at this price point, this close to downtown Alpharetta. That was the powder room. There's also a guest suite here on the main level. It's roomy, it's bright with the 3 big windows. I like the sketched forest wallpaper. It has a walk-in closet and a pretty stylish bathroom with a big frameless glass shower. One of those popular features that we see in luxury new constructions and renovations. The Emberly community offers 3 different single-family home styles to choose from. They range from just under 3,300 square feet to just under 3,600 square feet. They all have 5 bedrooms and either 4 or 5 bathrooms. You can build them with or without a basement. The prices start at just over $1.2 million. Here's another look at the great room. I really think it's such an amazing design. There are 4 bedrooms on the upper level. All of them are en suite with walk-in closets. Here's the laundry room. It has some built-in cabinets and a sink. And just look at this primary suite. It's incredible. The full wall of custom built-in cabinets with a desk, LED backlighting. The coffered ceiling has one of the most unique and visually appealing looks I've ever seen. Fluted accent panels add some texture. This is just a really gorgeous primary bedroom. And the ensuite bath also ain't bad. It delivers the luxury spa vibe. Hey there. With the vessel sinks on the huge his and hers vanities, the contemporary rectangular freestanding soaking tub, and this shower is just amazing. Chrome and glass, nearly 7 feet wide, multiple heads, sleek tile, just a really outstanding design. Of course, you would expect a private water closet in a luxury build, and you've got his and hers walk-in closets. This is the his, here's the hers, both equipped with custom organization systems, and this one has a nice window. The neighborhood's in Alpharetta, but it's zoned for Milton High School, which has a perfect 10 out of 10 ranking on great schools. It's very rare for a school to get a perfect score. They also have outstanding sports and music and arts programs. Lots of families move here for the schools. You're also walkable distance to Wills Park, which has a huge public pool, lots of walking trails, a big equestrian center, and Wacky World Playground has been a staple for kids for years. They recently tore it down to make room for Wacky World 2.0, which goes under construction this spring. It is going to be over-the-top fun for kids. Kids are also going to love these secondary bedrooms. They get their own bathroom and walk-in closet. And just look at some of these design touches. Each room has special finishes to match the child's unique personality and interests. It creates such fun, individualized bedroom space. So much better than back in the day when your sheets and toys and maybe a few posters were the only way you could express yourself. I have to say, these rooms create a lot more visual appeal than my Kiss and Star Wars posters ever did. Phase 2 of Emberly is going to include luxury townhomes that start in the upper 800,000s. So you'll have a lot of options to choose from. I'm Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to discuss custom homes in this community with you. Our contact information is the link in our bio. I hope you enjoyed the tour.